I'll teach you guys 10 simple ways to get money as teenagers in this video. And don't worry, I won't be discussing ways to spend 10 hours completing one survey in order to earn £1 or anything like. We will only discuss legal ways to make money in this video. Before we begin the video, I should mention that on this channel, we discuss money, mindset, and anything related to those topics. So be sure to click the subscribe button and then the bell if any of those topics interest you so that you can be notified whenever I upload. And if you could click the like button, that would be really appreciated because it would help me with the YouTube algorithm, allowing this video to be seen by more viewers. Using the study pool platform is the first option to earn money quickly. If you're not familiar with this site, it's basically a place where you can sell your old assignments, class notes, study guides, and anything else that can aid students in learning. All you have to do is sell documents. Additionally, you can earn money once they are authorized. The top earners on this platform are making $161,000, which is a lot of money. Additionally, they are essentially selling documents that they already own, particularly study materials. Additionally, after they upload it, you might earn $10 passively for each purchase. And the best part is that millions of students are actively using this website to find study materials like study notes, so they're likely to purchase something from you. In essence, you upload it, and after it is accepted, you just receive payment. You will therefore receive alerts whenever you are paid confirming that you have received the funds, but for this particular video, I'm just posting it because it's a fantastic method for kids to make money. The second place platform is a service called Cambly. Now, if you're someone who speaks English well, you could actually sign up for this site and get up to $10 per hour by just teaching people the language. The best part is that you can do it from any location in the world. You simply continue, begin, sign up, and you're done. You have another option for earning money. Selling goods on Facebook Marketplace comes in third. I used to personally suggest selling on eBay if you have a lot of possessions, but I now believe that Facebook Marketplace is one of the finest places to get rid of a lot of stuff. And I'm telling you that you definitely have a lot of outdated items in your home that you can get rid of and sell to make money on Facebook. The best part is right here. To hunt for products that individuals are freely giving away, you might also visit websites like Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree. There is a ton of free stuff available that you can check out and then essentially resell on Facebook Marketplace after picking it up, possibly polishing it, possibly adding some paint, and just selling off again on Facebook Marketplace for a profit. The fourth item is video editing. Now that businesses and individuals are all using social media to try to create content, video editing is a skill that will be in high demand in the near future. Therefore, if you have the ability to edit videos, you may approach influencers and businesses and offer your services in exchange for payment to edit their videos. Starting a Fiverr Gig is item number 5. I am aware of this now. Oh no, not another Fiverr Gig, a great number of individuals are saying. Listen to me out now. Yes, it is difficult. However, the reason it's challenging is because most people that join Fiverr merely replicate what others are doing and attempt to convince themselves that they should receive any orders. Here's the issue, though. You don't in any way distinguish yourself from other people. Therefore, what you need to do, and what I'll demonstrate to you, is, this is a fantastic illustration of what I mean. This person's ability to charge high prices is made possible by the fact that he has a large number of orders and positive ratings. The majority of people never upload a video of themselves. Therefore, stand out from the crowd, add your own spin, and do something unique in that market, and you will undoubtedly receive orders. Sixth on the list is affiliate marketing. Now, I frequently discuss affiliate marketing's benefits since you can join a program like Amazon Associates and earn money by merely referring customers to their products. For instance, if your friend is planning to purchase an iPhone from Amazon, you might simply inform him that you will send him your affiliate link for the same product on Amazon through Amazon Associates, and that if he purchases through that link, I will receive compensation. So, it's really a win-win circumstance. You can suggest that product to anyone, as well as any products to any members of your family, and you'll get paid when they make a purchase. I won't go into further depth on how Amazon Associates operate, but you can look it up on Google or watch a YouTube video. If you'd want me to produce an Amazon Associates video, let me know in the comments and I'll do it as well. However, it's really easy to get some quick cash and it's also extremely lovely and uncomplicated. 7th on the list, we produce digital goods for Etsy. Now, I just recently learned this, and I was shocked. I was basically looking for a media kit template, which is basically for people like myself to add all my fees, all my demographics, and everything for my brand, so that I can send it directly to companies that want to make sponsorship videos with me. I then searched for templates on Google and came upon this Etsy-like template. I'm familiar with the Etsy marketplace, but there are a lot of people who sell templates there and make good money. Because I believe this is one of the best ways to generate passive income, once you get it right, once you start receiving specific orders, and once you create the most popular template, like, obviously you could look at a template and see what are people actually looking for. I'm actually excited to give it a try, because nobody will care if you simply create a random template and post it. 8th is where we stopped providing service. If you don't know what drop servicing is, it's basically when you use someone else's service and resell it to someone else for more money while keeping the profit. So let me give you an illustration. You visit Fiverr and locate a man who will create a logo for you for £5. A company is seeking for a logo. You are the intermediary. You inform the company that I would charge them £15 for the logo and that I will provide it to them within 24 hours. You visit Fiverr, give the man £5, and you receive the logo. You provide it directly to the company. You receive a £15 payment from the company, so you essentially make a £10 profit. Once more, you could accomplish this with large numbers. Dropshipping without Shopify is number 9. You must be considering this, unlikely. What are you referring to? Without Shopify, how is dropshipping possible? I recently learned about a new technique, and it's still a little crazy. You essentially use a website like Etsy to hunt for things like locally crafted jewelry in the UK, is I correct? You also locate a product. Let's say the first product is this one right here. You can see that it is being sold for £27 and has 898 reviews. Simply take a picture of it and upload it to Facebook Marketplace. When someone orders it there, you place an order from here with their address included, and the item is delivered to them. You list it on Facebook Marketplace for something like £50, presumably at a higher cost. And it's furious when someone buys it. For instance, jewelry is a bad niche since nobody wants to spend that much money on jewelry. However, it's amazing how much you can actually do. You could make homemade candles or something else. You might feel that selling other people's goods violates moral principles or is unethical, but that is how drop shipping operates. And in essence, this is free drop shipment. No need to spend your own cash. By purchasing it with other people's money, you essentially get paid to sell other people's stuff. The 10th item on the list is graphic design. I'm telling you, graphic design is a fantastic ability. And once more, a lot of companies and influencers would say, I'm looking for a graphic designer. Consequently, there are a lot of people searching for graphic design expertise. So, if you are skilled in graphic design, turn to YouTube to learn the process if you are not. On YouTube, there are a ton of learning resources. Once you have the skills, create a portfolio, offer to work for free, complete a lot of work, obtain a lot of positive client feedback, and then just offer your service. You'll make money, I'm telling you. You have a lot of time as a teenager. So you can study skills like graphic design and video editing without having to spend any money, and you can find employment and conduct freelance work that can earn you a lot of money. These were the top 10 simple jobs for teenagers. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And once more, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload. Enjoy your day, be careful, and be at peace.